Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. So I wanted to share a video other than a haul to show that I actually do some actual crafting, even though I do prefer to purchase and hoard my supplies. Anyway, I had some requests for some handmade birthday cards, so I thought I would share what I have created this past week. I have enjoyed being in my craft room so much. I'm kind of sad that I'll be going back to cross country in like a month, so I'm trying to squeeze in every minute that I can outside of my real job to be in my craft room and get back to crafting. I've missed it so much. So this is my first project. It's a just a birthday card. I used the Create a Cricut cartridge. I still have the original Cricut machine, which is my favorite, and I have a million cartridges, so I just randomly pick one, and yeah, I love it so much. So this is the card that I created. It's so cute. I just love it. I love the bow and the little bread cupcake, and I really dug into my stash to really use all the goodies that I have, and then I usually try and do something on the inside for all the cards that I make. So that's the first one. So cute. And I think this birdie was from Birthday Bash, I believe. So he was holding the balloon. I put these really cute googly eyes on him. This is a die cloud set. And then this was some trim that I got on clearance here. And then I just added this flower. It's late at night, so my camera's in a weird place. It's Your Birthday, which was a My Pink stamp set from ago, and that's a long time ago, and that's the happy birthday stamp on the inside. There's that one. And this is the typewriter die from Tim Holt. I just made it in pink, and I used some crinkle ribbon, and I'm not sure if this is from Three Girl Jam or DL Art. They kind of got all joined after I left the design teams. And then this was just some book ephemera, and I just added this little slip of paper and stamped it with the happy birthday stamp from Scrappy Mom Stamps, and then added that cute little button. And then on the inside I just decorated with some of the matching paper. That's cute. And this watermelon is from the Doodle Charms Cricut cartridge, and I busted into my flower stash and lined the bottom of the watermelon. I added some stickles, some washi tape, lots of layers, and yeah, I have a doily back there. Super fun to make. Just put some matching paper in the bottom just so it's not just like a big blank card. So yeah, guys, I've had so much fun. I'm working on getting a baby album going, but I'm going to be doing a huge go through my baby stash. It's going to be so much fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed my project share. Thanks so much for stopping by, and have a great day.